for the street dancing category. For fifth place. Fifth place goes to Tribu Mabolokon. Fourth prize goes to Banauan Cultural Group. Third prize goes to
Guadalupe ang Banauan, no?
again. Third prize goes to wala. Brgy Labangon. Second prize goes to Lumad, Basakanon.
Oy, sikat ng
And this year's grand prize for the street dancing category goes to Omega de Salonera, Surigao del Norte. Congratulations, everyone.
Thank you very much. Musicality, we have Mr. Gani Villarojo.
To all the contingents. For the free interpretation category, Best in Musicality, fifth prize goes to Hukbong sa Kabataunang Hisaanon. Congratulations. We now move on to the fourth prize of the free interpretation category, Best in Musicality. Fourth prize goes to Bailes de Luces. Congratulations, La Castellana, Negros, Occidental. And our third prize for free interpretation category, Best in Musicality, is Brgy San Roque Ciudad.
Wow.
Congratulations. And for our second prize for free interpretation category, Best in Musicality, goes to Omega de Salonera, Surigao del Norte. Congratulations. And for our grand prize winner, first prize for the free interpretation category, Best in Musicality, is Lumad, Basakanon. Congratulations. We now move on to the Sinulog-based category based in musicality. Fifth prize goes to Alpha Kappa, Cebu Supreme Council. Congratulations. And for our fourth prize for Sinulog-based category Best in Musicality is Banauan Cultural Group. Congratulations. Move on to our third prize for Sinulog-based category Best in Musicality. The award goes to Brgy Labangon. Congratulations. And for our second prize for Sinulog-based category Best in Musicality, goes to Brgy Tejero. Congratulations. And for our first prize for Sinulog based category Best in Musicality, it's Inayawan Talent Guild and Cultural Group. Congratulations. Bit Senor.
Gigantes and puppeteers. And float, we'd like to request Miss Mary, Architect Mary Rose Maghuyo to announce the winners.
Winners. Puppeteers category. Third prize. Angelique Marie Aranas. Second prize. Number 5, Orly Johnson Fuentes. And first prize, Puppeteers category. Number 1, Nino Ruben Mateo. Congratulations. We now come to the Gigante category. Third prize. Number 6, ABC Friendship. Second prize, Gigante category. Number 4, Gerald Billones. And first prize, Gigante category is Number 5, Barong Siblings and Friends. And now, ladies and gentlemen, the float category. Third prize. Float number 4, Tuburan Coffee. Second prize. Float number 11, France, Philippines, celebrating 75 years of friendship. And finally, ladies and gentlemen, our first prize winner in the float category. Float number 16, IPI. Congratulations.
Five, for the free interpretation category, we would like to request Mr. Nes Hardin to announce the winners.
Good evening. The best in costume. The prize of 100,000 goes to Omega de Salonera, Surigao del Norte. And now for the ritual showdown. The fifth prize of 200,000 pesos goes to Tribu Mabolokon. And then the fourth prize for the free interpretation category of 300,000 pesos goes to Barangay San Roque Ciudad. The third prize of 500,000 goes to Bailes de Luces, La Castellana, Negros, Occidental.
Wala, third na sila.
Second prize, 700,000. Second prize goes to Lumad, Basakanon. And the first prize of 1 million pesos plus 50,000 for the choreographer. The grand prize goes to Omega de Salonera, Surigao del Norte.
Thank you so much, Ernest. Now to announce the winner of the Best in Costume and the 5 winners for the Ritual Showdown for Sinulog base category is Dr. Larry Gabal.
Sinulog base goes to
Inayawan Talent Guild Cultural Group.
Best in Costume, Inayawan.
For the Ritual Showdown, 5th prize goes to Alpha Kappa. Alpha Kappa Rho. 5th prize. 4th prize goes to Banay Labangon. Third prize goes to Banauan Cultural Group. And now, second prize goes to Brgy Tejero.
Sika na gihapon sila.
And our champion for the Ritual Showdown of Sinulog Base goes to Inayawan Talent Guild and Cultural Group.
Thank you very much to all our judges. Congratulations!